If you're looking for an affordable and reliable solution to fix your stoplight switch, the Standard Motor Products SLS-242T Stoplight switch is a great choice for your vehicle. This high-quality electronic switch is designed to fit specific vehicle models, providing you with a precise replacement part to keep your car's braking system functioning properly. Manufactured in the United States, this switch is known for its durability and performance, ensuring your vehicle's lights work when needed for safety. A malfunctioning stoplight switch can cause several issues, such as brake lights not turning on, preventing the transmission from shifting out of park, or triggering unexpected error messages on your dashboard. Replacing the faulty switch can often resolve these problems quickly and easily. The Standard Motor Products SLS-242T is designed for quick installation, allowing you to restore your vehicle's stoplight functionality with minimal effort. The package dimensions are compact, measuring 8.636 centimeters in length, 5.334 centimeters in width, and 3.81 centimeters in height, making it easy to handle during installation. A customer review from a 2008 Honda Civic owner highlights the effectiveness of this switch. After facing recurring issues with their genuine Honda replacement switch, the user turned to this affordable aftermarket option. For just $6, they installed the Standard Motor Products SLS-242T and immediately experienced perfect functionality. Though the long-term durability of the part remains to be seen, the customer was impressed with its quick and easy installation and the fact that it solved the problem at a fraction of the cost of other alternatives. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone on a budget who needs a reliable fix for their vehicle. With a weight of just 0.4 pounds and a vehicle-specific fit, the Standard Motor Products SLS-242T Stoplight switch ensures optimal performance, lasting you through the long haul. Don't let a faulty switch keep your vehicle from operating smoothly. Click the link in the description to purchase this reliable product today, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing products that can enhance your driving experience.